for example, I gave one example to people that they say, why we get angry? As you get angry because somebody trespassed you and you didn't tell them. You're not angry at them. You're angry at yourself, why I didn't say to the person. So take courage in that moment. Say, please don't do this. It's hurting me. That stops the game. But if you do it, he will do again, again. Then you pent up, and one day anger explodes, and it kind of starts create cancer in you. But there you need to be daring every given moment. You're responsible. I did not like this. Why did you say it? Please repeat. उससे दूसरे को भी समझ में आया था कि I cannot just get away with anything. You have to also set those kind of boundaries also. Because first तो relation के नाम पे we let other people trespass. फिर बाद में हम गालियाँ देते हैं. So that is your fault. You're supposed to say immediately, and that immediate responsiveness is what meditation teaches you. It's not about कल कह देंगे उसी समय. No. Mostly we avoid uncomfortable situations. That's why we keep on cooperating. नहीं मेरे पिताजी हैं माताजी नहीं उनको भी बोलना चाहिए. They are human beings. They also should know that I do not like this. उसमें झगड़ा थोड़ी है. मैं कहूँगा you're hurting me. I'm not fighting with you. मैं कहूँगा अरे ऐसे कैसे कर सकती है? तब झगड़ा है. अगर मैं को नहीं please don't say that. So you're opening yourself, making yourself vulnerable. हम गुस्सा इसलिए करते हैं अपनी vulnerability नहीं दिखाते. In my class, I was taking a class, live class. There were 15, 20 women from around the world and one Russian guy. So he started to do yoga asana in my class. So I had two options. Either I tell him, get out of my class. I use the other strategy. I told him that, Alexei, you're hurting me by doing yoga asana in my class. I'm talking to these people, you're hurting me. You know, he completely changed after that. Because I showed my vulnerable side. I told him, you're hurting me. He wanted to reach me. So he was playing this game. But when I said, you're hurting me, he became the best student, you know. After that, he was very much communicating with me. Because they have this game that he's a teacher, I'm better. Because there are 15 other girls to impress, you know. So they are all looking at me. He wants them to look at her. So, पर मैंने बोल दिया कि, so when you show vulnerability, उससे it smoothens the relation. इसलिए कि आप ऐसा क्यों कहते हो? You simply say कि, when you say this, it hurts me.
But when आपने जैसे बोला बहुत vital है ये, but the next person sitting should be able to perceive it the way it's coming. अगर मैंने आपको बोला कि you know this is what is hurting me, and you get defensive about it, like how can you feel like, you know, I don't have that intention to, but you know you're unnecessary creating drama. How do you handle that?
Sincerity नहीं है सामने. You don't have to handle it. You see the fact of it.
अगर मुझे लगा कि तुम ये चीज़ कर रहे हो, ये मुझे that's making me feel this, और सामने से defensive हो रहा है, how do you then how to deal this?
You see, it is clear that
You're not.
They are not willing to honor what you feel. They're cutting it short. It's toxic. How you can handle it? Others should be willing to see that no, you can also tell that when you say this, you're canceling me how I feel. And you have to be very clear in a Western way that no, this is my life and my energy. It's not that my energy is your property to use. You better behave, or you know. Because this has to be also there कि कोई guaranteed नहीं है. हम किसी के लिए guaranteed हो जाते हैं ना, then we are misused. दूसरे को खतरा ही नहीं है आपसे कोई. वो कहता है ये तो हमेशा साथ ही है, क्या कुछ भी कह लो. पर when they know कि I cannot cross certain boundaries, then there's more respect for each other. We ourselves let other people trespass us. If somebody says you no तू तेरे को ऐसे लग रहा है, you say okay, no more dialogue, because I feel this and you are not connecting and wanting to know this thing, and you're just cancelling it. This is tyrant's way. That you don't want to feel what I'm feeling, you don't want to feel responsible for it. Then it's very clear that you're not relating with me, you are just playing a role. So I don't want to play this. You have to take guts and willing to stand the danger. Only then life shows you the way. You know, otherwise we keep on compromising. कि मेरे छोटे छोटे खड्डे में जहाँ पे मैं बैठा हूँ वहाँ पे सब मिलता रहे. नहीं, बाहर आना पड़ता है. खतरा भी होता है, पर you feel alive then. Otherwise we are living a dead life inside. This dead life is killing us. You know, life is not killing us. We are not standing up for ourselves. This is the first thing I taught in the beginning. Stand for yourself. No, I am feeling this. You make me see how it is wrong. I am feeling this. How you can say this? वहीं पे पकड़ के बैठ जाओ फिर कि नहीं अब यहाँ से नहीं लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं होगी, ना खाना बनेगा ना कुछ, ये बताओ कि क्या मतलब है आपका। तो वहां पे यू ब्रिंग द अदर टू एक्सपोज एंड देयर इफ रिलेशन ब्रेक्स लेट इट ब्रेक एंड इफ इट्स interaction happens, so it's very good. You see, एक होता है argument about who is right. I tell people, lose those arguments. Yes, you are right. When there is a dialogue about what is right, then engage with that. दूसरा तो argue कर रहा है कि नो तू गलत है, मैं ठीक हूँ, तेरे को तो ऐसे लग रहा है. But that is cancelling you. So you have to have value for yourself. You have to say, no, I am not wrong. You're not willing to talk. Matter finished. Let it be there.
Yeah, or maybe right or wrong का question ही नहीं, it's just the situation which has been created कि this action is causing this reaction or this action is causing you know this feeling to me and which is why I'm talking it out. तो अगर वो एक बहुत एक ईगो भी आ जाता है when you start fighting right कौन है और wrong कौन है.
हाँ, that is argument.
That's an argument.
मीरा has a beautiful line. पायो जी मैंने राम रतन पायो, मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर, हरत हरत जस पायो, हार हार के जीती हूँ. मतलब फॉर अननेसेसरी बैटल्स टू विन वी कीप ऑन वेस्टिंग आवर एनर्जी. दूसरा कह रहा है तुम गलत हो, हाँ भी तू ठीक है, मैं गलत हूँ. सेव योर एनर्जी. दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन रिलेशन. यू अंडरस्टैंड? हम क्या करते हैं कि वी स्पेंड आवरसेल्व्स टू सेव ए रिलेशन. बाय द टाइम इट इज सेव्ड यू हैव नो एनर्जी लेफ्ट टू लिव इट. सो अगर आपको देखिए दूसरा डायलॉग नहीं कर रहा, डोंट save your energy. Be a reptilian before becoming a mammalian because that is your root. That it's about me and my energy. Energetically, once this clarity is, your behavior will change. And avoid obligatory hypocritical behavior. When you don't feel like doing something, don't do it. That is where you start to break the micro patterns. ये मोटी बात में आदमी हरा देगा आपको. But the basic, the feminine, what it does, out of obligation, out of love, and if that is taken for granted, stop doing that. You have taking a stand. You're not cancelling a relation. You're taking a stand. कि no, it has to be equal investment. ये नहीं कि मैं ही डाले जा रही हूँ, आप थोड़ा थोड़ा डालो और become a raja. I am also queen of this kingdom. That equal sharing has to be allowed with each other. But for that dialogue, not a fight. फाइट तब आती है कि जब आपकी कोई सुन नहीं रहा, दोनों अपनी अपनी बोल रहे हैं. टू फायर्स. व्हेन समबडी इज स्पीकिंग यू शुड लिसन. इट्स कॉल्ड एम्पैथेटिक लिसनिंग. कि मैंने कुछ कहा, बिफोर यू से एनीथिंग यू हैव टू रिपीट व्हाट आई सेड, सो आई नो यू हर्ड इट, देन यू से योर पॉइंट. अदरवाइज वी अज्यूम दूसरे ने सुन लिया, वो बात करते तो उसने सुना ही नहीं, वो तो अपनी कहानी बोले जा रहा है.
Just very compulsive reactive state.
Yeah. And also silence in between conversations. बात करी, don't rush the whole conversation 1 hour. See, very important, your tone matters. As a musician, we are not impacted by people's words. Our tones, our sound matters. So if you want to say something important, don't say in high pitched. Calmly say this. This hurts me. If you say, this hurts me, it's creating that. But when you say it hurts me, and you're looking at an adult speaking as an adult, this is tantra of relation. But if you're looking at as a little girl asking daddy to take care of me, you're bringing out that daddy who's kya kar rahi hai, pagal hai kya. But when you talk like a person, other also becomes the person. If you see the divine in other, divine will wake up. If you look for the bastard in other, you are provoking the bastard in the other. You understand what I'm saying? These are the dynamics of conversation. The live conversation, you have to change the tone, speak with gaps, and look straight in the eye. वहाँ पे कोई झूठ नहीं बोल सकता. हम इधर उधर बोल के बात करते हैं. We are also afraid of confrontation. But this is confrontation. Look in the eye and say calmly.
Right.
उससे क्या होता है कि you are establishing a new pattern in relation. एक जो typical है ना कि you get into a character and start to speak in a certain way. No. Now you talk. This is coming from your center. This is what actually how things work. When you speak from up there or emotionally, it won't have an impact. But when you speak from your center, say each word and you mean it. Most of the time we are saying complaining, but we are also taking a permission. that is it okay? No, you know it is okay and you're saying it. This is like having a talk like an adult and grown-up person. Otherwise, we're playing roles of our toxic childhood. You know, he provokes your little girl, you provoke his little boy, and they are just having this mess of roles, characters. I remember when I wanted to come to Pune in my youth time, and I was afraid to ask my father. I wanted to see Osho. I knew he will not allow me to go anywhere. So I don't know what happened in that day. I went to him. I said that, Papa, I am going to Pune, looking into just one sentence, for 3 days to visit Osho. He looked at me. He said, okay. I was not asking permission. Our whole life with parents, with friends, we're constantly asking permission to feel something. But you have to switch that role. I feel this. And you just make a statement about it. You're changing a subtle dynamic and chemistry of the relation. You have to be aware that how you get into characters. You know. My brother was surprised. He said, how did he say yes? I said, I am also surprised. Because first time I was talking something which really means to me, and I will anyway go. no
Yeah, you
matter.
were very clear about
Very
it.
clear about it. That clarity is needed. We are also confused really when we are asking something. We ask other to give me clues to feel clear. No, you have to be clear. Even when you're confused, be clear you're confused. Then you say, I am confused. Then there is a dialogue possible. When you say, I don't know, this is feeling, you're just creating a more confused energy. You see, even in confusion, there's a clarity that I am confused.
Yeah.
But we don't admit, you know. That's where the journey starts. Once you're confused, you don't admit I am confused. Say, let me figure out. I am confused and relax. Clarity is already starting. This is what Krishnamurti is saying. Just see the fear, you're free because you're looking at it.
Yeah.
Making sense?
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु